Welcome home to Richland Downs. I'm Nicole and I'm so excited to show you around this Murfreesboro community where space, convenience, and affordability come together as one. Located in the area you already know and love, Richland Downs puts everything within reach. You're just around the corner from everyday essentials like Walmart and Dollar General and only 10 minutes from I-24, making your commute a breeze. Looking for local flavor? Hop Springs Beer Park is just 4 miles away and offers live music, seasonal markets, and plenty of space for your pup to play. Grab coffee at Dapper Owl or Bean Loft Coffee Company in just 5 minutes, or head to East Main Street near MTSU for favorites like the Boulevard Bar and Grill, Camino Real, and Slick Pig Barbecue. Downtown Murfreesboro is only 10 minutes away, with local hotspots like the Alley on Main, Marinas on the Square, and Puckett's, plus events like the Saturday Market and Friday Night Live. Inside, our homes are designed with your needs in mind, with plenty of bedrooms and a variety of flex rooms, bonus spaces, lofts, and more, so every member of the family can have a space of their own. We also offer options for single-story living, meaning you can finally ditch the stairs and have everything you need all on one level. And when you live at Richland Downs, you'll have access to community amenities like a playground and walking trails, perfect for weekend strolls or playdates close to home. When you build with us, you're never alone. Our team makes home ownership easier than ever. We'll guide you through the financing process, keep you updated on your home's progress, and still have your back even after you move in with a new home warranty and in-house customer care team. Well, what are you waiting for? Come visit us at Richland Downs today. We can't wait to welcome you home.